Let's be honest. We all pretend. And not just in big moments. I mean, in daily life. You could be having the worst day ever. But when someone asks, "Hey, you good?" you suddenly turn into a Bollywood actor like, "Me? Yeah, bro, totally fine. Living my best life." Meanwhile, your soul is sitting in a corner crying and eating biscuits. But why do we pretend? Why do we act okay when we're not? Act confident when we're scared? Act strong when we're breaking? Why do we wear invisible masks like it's a part of our daily dress code? Welcome to the psychology of pretending. And trust me, this is going to be painfully relatable. The first truth is simple. We pretend because being honest is scary. Telling someone how you actually feel feels like standing in front of the world without clothes. Vulnerable. Exposed. And let's be real, most of us don't trust people enough to hand them our real emotions. So we keep them hidden like top-secret files. For example, your boss says something annoying at work. Do you tell them? No. You smile like a polite potato and go, "Haha, yes sir, absolutely sir," while inside you're imagining switching careers, countries, and maybe even planets. Another reason we pretend is because we don't want to disappoint anyone. We want to be the easy person, the chill one, the stable one, the strong one. So we hide our stress, hide our sadness, hide our confusion. We pretend to be okay because we don't want to be a burden. Even though, let's be honest, half the people we're trying to impress aren't even paying attention. Then there's the funniest one. We pretend because everyone else is pretending too. Imagine this. You walk into a group where everyone looks confident and put together. You think, wow, they're all fine. I guess I have to act fine too. Meanwhile, all of them are looking at you, thinking the exact same thing. Human beings are basically mirrors pretending to be solid walls. But here's the deeper part. Pretending actually starts very young. As kids, we learn quickly which emotions get approval and which ones don't. Cry? Stop being dramatic. Angry? Control yourself. Confused? Don't be silly. So we learn to hide parts of ourselves just to fit in. Those habits follow us into adulthood, and suddenly pretending becomes automatic, like breathing, but with extra emotional weight. Another big reason we pretend is because we want control. If we fake confidence, at least we get to control how others see us. If we fake happiness, we control the vibe in the room. If we fake strength, we avoid pity. Pretending gives us power, temporary power, but power nonetheless. But here's the twist. Pretending doesn't always mean lying. Sometimes pretending is actually survival. You're not faking because you're fake. You're faking because you're tired, or healing, or not ready to open up yet. And that's okay. Not every feeling needs to be announced. But pretending becomes a problem when you forget the difference between your real self and the version you perform. When you've been the strong one for so long that you don't know how to fall apart. When you've been the funny one for so long that nobody knows you're hurting. When you've been the responsible one for so long that you don't remember what rest feels like. It's like wearing the mask for so many years that your own face starts feeling unfamiliar. Here's something interesting though. Pretending doesn't hide the truth from you. You may fool others, but your body always knows when you're lying to yourself. That's why fake smiles leave you exhausted. That's why pretending to be over someone still hurts. That's why acting confident doesn't erase the insecurity underneath. Your emotions don't disappear just because you've learned to hide them. They wait, sometimes loudly, sometimes quietly, but they always wait. And you know what's funny? We think pretending makes us strong, but the strongest moments in life often come from being real, even if that real is messy, confused, imperfect, or vulnerable. Pretending gives temporary comfort, but honesty gives long-term freedom. And here's the big twist of psychology. People don't connect with your pretending. They connect with your truth. The moment you say, "Yeah, I'm struggling," someone else goes, "Dude, me too." And suddenly the world feels lighter.
Pretending makes you look perfect. Being real makes you feel human. So the next time you catch yourself acting fine when you're not, or pretending you don't care when you actually do, or faking confidence when your knees are shaking, just remember, you don't have to perform for the world every single day. Some days you can take off the mask. Some days you can be honest. Some days you can admit, I'm trying, and that's enough for today. Because the psychology of pretending isn't about being fake, it's about being afraid. And the moment you stop being afraid of being seen, your entire life starts feeling lighter.